Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, sometimes I like to stay in budget accommodations and other times I like to stay in luxury hotels. You guys are always asking me, how do you afford to do so much luxury travel and stay in 5-star hotels? And if I wanted to do the same, what are some ways I could save? Is there anything I have learned from traveling so much that I can share with you guys? So what if I told you guys that for the price of small 3-star or maybe even 2-star hotels, you could be staying in a 5-star beautiful hotel wherever you're traveling. And instead of staying in the middle of nowhere on the outskirts of your destination, you could be staying right in the middle where all the action is going on. If you guys don't know, when you're traveling somewhere, pick a city like Bangkok, right? It is going to be way cheaper, or Paris or Rome or whatever, to stay all outside of Rome or outside of Paris or outside of Bangkok, because you're not in the middle where everything's going on. The more centered you get, so the more centered you get to, I don't know, Tokyo, or the more centered you get to in Paris or in Bangkok, the more expensive the hotel. The cheaper ones are on the outside in the middle of nowhere, and nobody likes staying out there because you don't even feel like you are enjoying the destination you chose to travel to, you know, and it can be quite expensive because you have to keep taking taxis into all the action and everything like that, and it's just not the smartest idea. I told you guys, like I said, that you could be spending the money paying the price of those outskirts hotels to stay in the center of all the action of the most popular travel destinations all around the world. This is all made possible by a website and app called Travel Smarter. Now, Travel Smarter is a app and website that cuts out the middleman. So most hotels go through about 2 big companies that really make all the bookings for everything. So they connect you with a hotel, and then they actually pay the hotel from the amount you're giving them, and they also charge you booking fee and taxes and everything like that, and it can ride the price up like 40-50%. It's crazy. So you end up spending way more because you're paying that middleman app, and you're also paying them money, the company the money, as well as your booking fee. So what Travel Smarter does is it cuts out the middleman and it connects you directly with hotels, so you're not paying booking fees and you're not paying all that extra money, so you save a lot of money. You could stay in 5-star hotels for the price of 3-star hotels, and you could stay in 3-star hotels sometimes for the price of hostels. It shows you exactly how much, when you go through the website or you go through the app, it shows you exactly how much you will be saving on your booking per night. So it's crazy how much you could really save with this app. I'm just going to show you guys some examples of what I saved using Travel Smarter. In Bangkok, you guys saw I have a whole vlog. I was doing a lot of what you guys called luxury travel. I stayed in a very nice hotel. I was eating at very nice restaurants, and I was doing nice things, and all you guys were asking me, what are some tips where I can do these things on a budget? Everybody has the budget to be doing trips like that all the time. And the way Travel Smarter works is you're not paying Travel Smarter like most booking engines. You're gonna pay them a fee as well when you do the booking. You don't pay Travel Smarter a fee, you actually just pay the price of the hotel, and 100%, Travel Smarter doesn't take any of the money. 100% of the money goes to the hotel for your booking, and then you pay $9.97 a month to be a member of Travel Smarter. That's how it works. So after a 30-day free trial, we're getting that $9.95 a month, not even $10 a month, you know, that's nothing compared to how much, you know, you'll be saving or you would be spending if you know, booked your hotel through the main travel engine apps or websites. I'm gonna give you guys an example of when I saved a lot of money using Travel Smarter. So yeah, like I said, when I was in Bangkok, I stayed at the Le Boya, which is one of the nicest hotels in Thailand in general, and it's $167 a night. But when you book the most popular travel, engines, you pay taxes and you pay booking fees and you pay all that stuff. With Travel Smarter, you just pay the $167 a night, no extra charges. So I stayed at the La Boya for 5 nights. While in Bangkok, I saved $250 from using Travel Smarter versus the most common booking engines. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about how far $250 can go when you're traveling. That's like that can go really far when you're traveling. So with that money I saved, you can either put it back, with all the money you're saving from these hotels, or you can use it to make your trip or your vacation more exciting. You can do more stuff. I'm going to share with you guys some of the stuff I did. So since I saved $250 when I was in Bangkok, I actually had dinner on the rooftop with my friend Panita. She is from Thailand, and it was her birthday, so I treated her to a very, very, very beautiful, gorgeous dinner on the rooftop. And that actually was the tallest rooftop restaurant in the entire world, I believe. It's absolutely beautiful. I highly suggest you guys go eat there, at least if you don't stay at the hotel. If you visit Bangkok, it's absolutely beautiful, the view. You have to be dressed up, so it's really exciting. And I think I paid about $150 for both of our meals. So I was glad to do that for her, and it was a beautiful experience and I loved it. So I still had an extra $100, and actually I decided to fly to Hong Kong. My sister lives in Hong Kong, and I decided to go see her with that extra $100. The flight was $100. Flights around Asia are very cheap. That's not weird, and Hong Kong and Bangkok, they're not so far from each other. So I flew with the extra $100. I flew to Hong Kong, and I enjoyed, seeing my Chinese friends and my sister and my Chinese quote-unquote family. And for those of you who don't know, I used to live in China myself, and I went to school there. So, Hong Kong, but they're close. I was in Shenzhen and Hong Kong. Bought a flight for $100, and I also got a really nice dinner with my friend Panita on the rooftop of the Le Boya. And so yeah, the $250 can go so far when you're traveling. You guys really need to check out Travel Smarter. Go see for yourself. All the information's right there on the website when you're looking at the booking, and it tells you exactly how much you're going to save, and you can even check and compare. That's about today in today's video. I just wanted to share this information with you guys. This video is sponsored by Travel Smarter, but all thoughts and opinions are my own. You guys can go check it out for yourself. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.